Hello YouTube, this is Dazzathecameraman once again. It is Tuesday, October 18th, 2016. It's just gone 5 PM New Zealand time, and we're looking at the latest comedy episode from the channel that is Nibiru Planet X 2016. And Scott has just posted his latest proof of Nibiru Planet X flying over Phoenix, Arizona. Let's step ahead to his video and let's look at the proof of Nibiru that he's posted in this latest video. Let's hear a little bit of his video.
Absolutely clear. Now, folks, the reason why it took us so long to upload this video is we just kept scrutinizing this video. We wanted to make sure that the information that we're showing you was truly a Planet X flyover.
Well, Scott, obviously you didn't try hard enough, because anybody that is familiar with the sky and clouds and contrails and sunsets would immediately recognize what this is. I took one look at this and just about fell off my chair laughing. So anyone watching this, I suggest that you go to Google and you type in sunlit aircraft contrails. Now, I don't believe that this one is actually an aircraft contrail. I believe that this is just a cloud which happens to be in that shape, because as we know, clouds come in all different shapes. But the contrails will give us a good example of what we're looking at in this video. So here we are, sunlit aircraft contrails, and I've clicked on images. And this is what we see. Now, first of all, I would point out, what color are the clouds at sunset and sunrise? Often they are orange color, are they not? This is why people like to take photos of spectacular sunsets, because of the beautiful colors, the oranges, the reds. And if there is an aircraft that is laying out contrails and the sun is setting, then those contrails are also going to be illuminated orange, just as we see here. Let's click on this example. We can clearly see the aircraft here, and the contrails are brightly illuminated by the setting sun. Remember, the sun is setting, the sky is darkening, but the contrails are still brightly illuminated by the sun because the aircraft is up high at maybe 35,000 feet. The clouds are up high as well, so even when it's getting darker on the ground, the clouds will be illuminated for a period of time. And indeed, is this what we see in Scott's video? Let's take another look. At the beginning of the video, we can see that the object is glowing orange. And of course Scott will claim that this is the iron oxide from Nibiru and its wings. Let's step forward the video and see what happens as time goes by and the sun gets lower over the horizon. Notice that it's not as bright orange anymore. Let's step forward even further. Now the sun has set, it is down below the horizon as seen from the cloud, and it has lost its orange glow because the sun is no longer shining on it. Let's look at some more examples of those sunlit aircraft contrails just to be sure. Here is another one, probably not a very clear example. This one here, it sort of looks like something falling out of the sky on fire. And what about this one? This one's flying up from the horizon, and the little speck that you can see on the end is the aircraft. And here is another one, another contrail illuminated by the setting sun. You can see the clouds here down by the horizon are very orange, and as we get higher up in the sky, the clouds are getting dark, just like we saw in the second part of Scott's video, where the cloud changed from an orange color at the beginning of the video to this dark gray color at the end of the video, because it was no longer in the sunlight, because the sun was then below the horizon as seen from the cloud. Now, a friend of mine on Facebook has also posted some very good images of sunlit aircraft contrails. Here are his photos. You can clearly see the aircraft there against the darkened sky. yet the aircraft contrails are illuminated by the setting sun. Here's another example with a broken contrail because of the different temperature in the sky. And again, this example, this is the wide shot and this is a close-up shot. We can clearly see the aircraft. These sunlit aircraft contrails are often mistaken by untrained observers as comets or meteors crossing the sky. A comet would not move across the sky because of its distance away from the Earth, and a meteor or fireball would move across the sky a lot faster than an aircraft will. So I'm sorry, Scott of Nibiru Planet X 2016, your so-called proof of Nibiru Planet X has again failed to deliver. We are seeing a sunlit cloud, as can clearly be seen here, and I notice that there's another cloud over here behind the trees. We see that the cloud is orange because it has been illuminated by the setting sun, and when the sun has gone down over the horizon, what do we see? Your orange Nibiru changes to a dark Nibiru. In the next hilarious installment of the comedy that is Nibiru Sunlit Clouds 2016, I believe that we may be looking at videos of seagulls and other birds. Stay tuned for more, and thank you for watching.